Bitcoin and Ethereum have been hitting these key levels and reacting to them perfectly. Ethereum ended up breaking out of this channel here and this trend line and hitting this 1940 mark and then rejecting all the way to our current support at the moment. And guess what? I'm currently in a trade again for a long on Ethereum. So something new, my new Ethereum trade. From here, if we look at Bitcoin, Bitcoin has actually been hitting these key levels at 30K 3 times and rejected it every single time it has touched this level. So we've got an exciting video today. We're going to go through some take profits, which is the whole idea of today's video, to help you understand how I take profit, how you could take profit, and how methodology of approaching taking profit works. So what's happening, guys? It's Dan Chung, aka Champ. Let's just jump straight into the chart. So Bitcoin recap first is looking at this support. We ended up bouncing and then pushing all the way to the 30K mark. Now, like I said, you cannot make this up. Look at this key level and this support is crazy. 27,223. It bounced on this support with a huge wick. Literally, you can't even make that up. It went drop all the way down, all the way up, and then went all the way back to 30K. We then have a rather retest here at 30K, and we are looking to potentially either bottom out at some point here and look to retest. I still really think that Bitcoin can have a chance to retest either the 32K mark here, which if I just draw it across, you can see that there's a support and a resistance that was created in the past, and potentially another here, which is around 30 to 40K there, 34K and 35K, sorry. They are the next key levels that we are waiting for with Bitcoin. There are no real proper setups that I'm looking for with trading that, but there is when it comes to Ethereum, and that's why I've got that trade at the moment here on Bitget. So I'm currently long here at the moment for, to be honest, quite a large take profit, and the reason I have a large take profit is because this is something that I would leave as a runner. So don't forget to actually look at the link in the description below, especially with Bitget. There is a $15,000 prize pool, literally free. You guys can win this money for free, and up to $40,000 worth of bonuses to help you with your trading at the moment. It's literally exclusive to Coin Bureau only. We are able to have this partnership with these guys to help you guys on your trading journey, and I think it's crazy. Literally, it's a $15,000 prize pool. You can win your money and you could be the champ. That's what they say. It's literally at the top, it says the champion. So you'll be alongside with me being a champ and making some money. So don't forget to check in the link in the description below. So as you know, we had this strategy video. If you want to go check that out, that was the first video we made. The hard profit we are doing is taking 2R. So once this hits 2R, I will be taking some money off the table anyway, so that we're still sticking to the rules. But now that we're back in profit and now we're running the account quite well, we are looking to basically optimize taking profit and optimize taking some money, but at the same time making sure we secure our 2R. I like taking money off of the table every single day. It makes me feel better because then, you know, I'm cool, I've cashed out, my money's done, it is what it is. I know set take profit, that is what I'm going to take home, and it's a very high probability that I'm going to hit that 2R. So then let's go into this a little bit more in depth. So when you go into take profits, there are two main factors that you have to take away when it comes to this. Number one, the mechanical, and number two, the technical, and then the third one, I say two, but the third one is psychologically, like you just have to understand your personality. Now when it comes to mechanical, you are going to take profit at 2R no matter what. So that's what we said within this strategy. So what that means is at 2%, or you know, the reward, the two reward that you're going to take is, no matter I risk 1%, 2%, 3%, 4%, I'm going to get 2 times of whatever I'm risking back into my account. So if I risk $100, I expect to get $200 back. You know that that's the trade going forward. You have your stop loss, which you go backwards, and we'll make a video about stop loss tomorrow. And then you take your take profit at a 2R. Now your 2R has to be, or your take profit has to be at a reasonable technical level, which is the second part of this. The technical level is a key level, right? Now if we look to take profit, let's just say in this position here where I'm looking to take it much more above 3.5R, the problem we have here is we have a resistance here, so meaning that price could reject this. We've got another resistance here where price could reject this, and guess what? In the past it has done exactly that. So that's a lesson that you can learn in today's video. Alongside with that, if we go on to say Bitcoin, which is another great example, say you had this support here. Now if you bought on this support, right, we're literally buying from one zone to another. If we bought on this support and you are take profit in at 2R, yes, you're leaving a lot of money on the table. Hence why now I'm looking at the next step, which is optimizing. I've secured money here, then at least if there are runners, I can try and secure money on the way up at next key levels as well. So it's a never-ending game when it comes to trading. You have to be optimal with the way you approach things. So that is an important takeaway from that. So just to kind of summarize that, is a mechanical take profit is based on no matter how you risk, so you're kind of working backwards. So if your stop loss is here, then you just look at a 2R no matter what your risk is. Then a technical one is based on your key levels, so you'll just be looking to take profit at any of these key levels. And one little tip or one little rule of thumb is I like to take profit just below that resistance level, because that also increases the probability. So my mindset is just, oh, here's a great example here with Bitcoin, is we know that 30k is a example. So you can see that price didn't come to the 30k properly, but ended pulling up all the way back to the previous support zone, and then also doing the same thing again here and again here. So these are the tips for take profits and my current open trade and Bitcoin Ethereum's kind of price overview. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you understood that. I'm going to do a stop loss one later this week. It will be tomorrow or Thursday, it just really depends. I'm in the beautiful Belfast. I had to do a last minute flight here to sort out some real estate businesses, but it doesn't stop us from staying up to date with the markets. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely go and check out the description below for $40,000 worth of bonuses with Bitget, and there is a $15,000 prize pool that is in there as well, so don't forget to check that out, which is all for you guys just from exclusive with Coin Bureau. So see you guys in the next video. Champ out. Peace.